Hey guys, what's up? It's Scooter85 back with another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for the God of War limited edition DualShock wireless controller for the PS4. So I picked this up today on the release of the game as well. So I've got the game to unbox as well. So I was half tempted to get the God of War PS4 Pro, but yeah, I couldn't really justify it. So anyway. That's the controller on the front. It's a Cyber Kratos on it. And then there's Atheus, I think he's called. I think is how you pronounce his name. And then on the back is, yeah. So, let's unbox this. Well, let's try and unbox this. One-handed. That's easy. And there we go. Excuse me. So, there's the controller. Very nice. Very nice. So, there's one of the symbols there from the game. It's got God of War etched into that. And then obviously is the new controller where you've got like a little blue light on top of the bar there, or on top of the pad there. It's your mic thing at the bottom. It's a different kind of grey on the back as well, which I quite like. So everything feels as it should. I don't think there's anything else that comes with it. Nope. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of the God of War limited edition PS4 controller, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, I'll catch you later. Cheers, bye bye.